Welcome to another episode of Trending Chats. AI has become one of the most searched words of 2023 and 2024. So today we're here to talk about AI beyond the hype. We're joined by Thorsten Freitag, Innovation Architect here at SAP. Hey Thorsten, over to you.
Thanks, Molly. Yes, it's interesting. If you look at AI at the moment on the Gartner hype cycle of technology adoption, it obviously hovers way above the peak of inflated expectations. What I like to remind people is that 2008, cloud computing was in the same spot. And they're both following the trend of exponential growth and decrease in cost in compute power. So it turned out quite well for cloud computing. And if you think about AI and you're not impressed now, think about 5-10 years down the track. So I talk a lot to our customers about how emerging technologies can add business value. You're probably wondering, so can it? Can AI already add business value? What we're hearing a lot from our customers is some of the concerns when rolling out an AI initiative. One thing that we often hear is the embedding AI systems in the business process. Because you don't want to create silos of innovation. You want to make it part of the actual business process. We address that with the relevant in our strategy so that the AI system is relevant there and then when you need it and can help you as part of the task that you're doing. The second one is the maintainability. So you don't want your AI system to just work as a prototype, but it should add value on day one and on day 100. We cover that with the reliable, so that we take care of upgrades in the system. It's always taken care of. New business data, it stays up to date with changing business strategies. And the last one is the AI-associated risks, often a barrier. And I'm not talking about the AI is taking over the world, but it's more the security, data privacy, and also ethical and bias in the data. We address that with the responsible in our strategy so that we make sure that there is no bias in the training data and also in the resulting applications. For HR applications, for instance, it's quite critical. Now, if we think about the use cases that we start seeing to emerge, it is mainly three patterns that we can see so far. Number one is complete new user experiences through natural language. The second one is automating of those repetitive, boring tasks that unfortunately we have to do. And then the third one is really augmenting human cognition and decision making. Now, these three tasks we address with three archetypes in our portfolio. We're trying to infuse AI across our portfolio. But we start with the AI insights and really the natural language. We do that as part of our Copilot Duel. That is really like a sidekick that you can ask anything in natural language and it finds the answer for you or helps you execute processes. So that's really that complete new user experience that we're delivering. Then when it comes to those automated tasks that typically are boring if you have to do them manually, across our portfolio, we're looking at those applications where we can infuse and embed AI to take the boring away and automate it. And then the third one is really helping getting new insights from our data, from our business, and maybe even delivering complete new business models. We have our AI foundation that lets our customers use their data to create complete new use cases. And we use the same technology to build all of our use cases. So it's proven, but we give exactly the same technology and tools to our partners and customers, which can add immense value if you build new use cases based on that. So there you have it. That's kind of how we use the reliable, responsible, and relevant to deliver those three patterns. And if we think about how to get started, there's really a few things to consider. Number one is think about your vendor's roadmap. What are they already working on? The most requested feature is talking to your data. We, for instance, do that with, we call it Just Ask. So make sure that you don't replicating something that your vendor might already be doing. The second one is think about your organizational readiness. That's in different aspects. Obviously, do you have the skills? There's change management obviously involved. But most importantly, the data. Do you have sorted out all your data? If you haven't done it for your analytics strategy, now is definitely the point in time where you should do it before you embark on a big AI endeavor. And lastly, and it's a bit cliche, but I would really focus on the ROI and the business value. because you don't want to embark on this just for technology's sake. I would think about it in terms of jobs to be done and jobs to be automated, which is probably a good way to start. And don't forget, if you want to talk a bit more about this, feel free to reach out to me and we can discuss how we could really get you started on a successful AI strategy.
Thanks for tuning in. Stay curious, stay informed, and see you on the next episode of Trending Chats.